dear students, welcome to the Gurudeva online classes. Myself Parmesh and I am your social teacher of 7th standard. So dear students, today we are going to learn about geography part. In the geography, the North America. So before going to the start lesson, I would like to tell some information about social science. So the social science has been divided into three parts. As you know already, the history, civics and geography. So what is history then? The history means the study of past events and particularly human affairs. The study of past events or the particularly human affairs is called history. So as you know, Vijayanagara Emperor, Bhumani Kingdom, all the kingdoms are comes under the history. So there is, you will learn particular kingdom or particular person or particular events. That is all explaining about history. And it is already started by the Siddhesar. And the next one is civics. What is civics? The civics is nothing but a study of rights and duties of the citizenship. Rights and duties of a citizenship is called a civics. In the civics part, also we are going to learn about our Indian Constitution and what are the rights and duties we have and how should be a citizen in a country. So all the things we will learn about in the civics part. And the third part is geography. What is geography? The geography is nothing but a study of physical features of Earth and its atmosphere. What is physical features? Dear students, if you observe in your surrounding, you will see the many kinds of physical features. Mountains, hills, plateaus, okay, and islands. These are all called as physical features. So the geography means a study of physical features of the earth and its atmosphere is called geography. Dear student, related to geography, what did you learn in the last year? I mean in the 6th standard, what did you learn? Let us see. So in the 6th standard, you have learned globe and maps, Asia, the land of Anthrax, Europe, the peninsula of Asia, Africa, the central continent. These are the topics which are related to the geography you have learned in the 6th standard. So let us go by one. Globes and maps. What is meaning of globe? Globe is nothing but model of the earth is called globe, and the globes and maps help us to locate the places and how to read the globes and maps. Okay, these are all the things you have learned in this lesson. Globes and maps. And Asia, Europe, Africa, these are, what are these? These are the continents. There are 7 continents in the world, which is a part of 29% of land. I mean the land has been completely, the earth has been bifurcated into 29% of land is covered on the earth, 71% of the water is covered on the earth. So in the 29% of the land has been bifurcated or divided into 7 continents and islands. Okay, in the 7 continents in the 6th standard, you have already learned about Asia continent and where does it, okay, the location, physical settings, okay, and the vegetation, what are the animals are live, what is the climate. So everything you have learned it in the 6th standard about Asia continent. And dear student, Asia is one of the biggest continent in the world. So Asia continent, Europe continent and Africa continent, these are the 3 continents you have already learned in the 6th standard. Okay, so next, today's class we are going to learn about one more continent, that is the 3rd largest continent, that is none other than North America. Our earth has been completely divided into, the earth has completely covered 29% of the land and 71% of the water. So 29% of land, I mean the earth surface is land consisting of continents and islands. So the completely 29% of the earth consisting of a continents and islands. What are the continents? As you know already, there are 7 continents: Asia, Europe, Africa and North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. So in the 6th standard, you already learnt about the Asia continent, Europe continent and Africa continent. So today's class, we are going to learn about the North America, and also the 71%, the remaining 71% is covered with the mostly by the oceans. So there are 5 oceans which are located completely covered on the world. So what are those? Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Southern Ocean. So these are the 5 important oceans completely cover the 71% of water on the earth. So the Pacific Ocean, it is called, Pacific Ocean is the deepest and largest ocean in the world, and the smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. So according to the size was, we have given a one short name, that is nothing but ASIAP was the short word which is to remember. So small to big, the small to big. So Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean and Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. So this is the short word ASIAP. ASIAP is a short word which is to remember the small to big. I mean small to big in the size wise. So in the big, Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world and Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. So this is a short word. ASIAP is a short word which is to remember about the ocean. So this is all about oceans and as well as continents. So now we are going to learn about the North America. The North America, it is called as land of prairies. So what does it mean of prairies? The prairies is nothing but it is a type of grassland which we can see in the North America. Okay, so land of prairies. So you will learn more information about in the vegetation. So now what are things you will learn in the North America? So things you will learn in the North America is location, where the North America is located, okay, and extent and physical settings and physical divisions, climate, natural vegetation, agriculture, important minerals and industry. These are the points you will learn in the North America. So before going to the North America, or I mean before getting to these things, we will also look into the introduction part. So who discovered the North America? And you know, dear students, North America and South America are called as New World because these 2 continents are discovered in the 15th centuries. So North America was discovered by the Amerigo Vespucci. He was one of the Italian sailor. So because of this discover, okay, so North America, it is named as America. So the Amerigo Vespucci, the first word of Amerigo Vespucci, the America was driven by the Amerigo. So that is why it is named as America. So North America and even as well as South America. So when did the North America was discovered? The North America was discovered in 1501. It is called as New World, I mean 15th centuries. Okay, which type of people are living in the North America? So North America, the inhabited people are Europeans. So dear students, Europeans in the sense Portuguese, French, Dutch, British, okay, and Italy. So who are come from the Europe countries, Europe continent, okay, who are come from the Europe continent, those people are inhabited because the Amerigo Vespucci, one who discovered the continent, he come from the Italian sailor, right? Italy also belong to the Europe. So inhabited by the Europeans, I mean French people and British people. The French people with they have built the profitable fur trade in the Canada. They have used the minerals which are found in North America, and they have built the profitable fur trade in Canada. Canada is one of the very important country in the North America. And even British people also, the British people are exploited the fisheries and forest in the Atlantic province in Canada, and as well as New England of USA. Okay, so British people, they have used the fish, they have started exploring of fishery because of the North America was surrounded by this water, many kind of water bodies. That is why fishing is one of the main occupation of the North America. Okay, the French people, they have built the profitable fur trade in Canada, and British people, they have exploited the fisheries in the Atlantic province, and as Atlantic province in Canada, and as well as New England of USA. So this is all inhabited of Europeans, the people of North America. And North America, it is called model of all the other continents in a progress. So why it is called as model of the all continent in a especially progress? It differs from the four important points. That is nothing but development in a science and technology, a large domestic market and international trade relationship, and development of goods of good means of transport. These are the four important points. Differs the North America. It is a model of the all the continents in the progress. Okay, the four important points are: it is developed in the science and technology, and a large domestic market, and a good means of transport, and as well as international trade relationship. These are the four points. It is These are the four points or makes it is well developed continent North America. And North America, it is also model for the all the continents in a progress. It is because of these 4 points, the North America, it is called as a developed continent. North America, the location. The location, before getting to the location, dear students, we should have a knowledge about latitudes and longitudes. So latitudes and longitudes are very important as to locate the places. So what does it mean of latitude and longitudes? Latitudes is nothing but these are all the imaginary lines which is drawn on the earth. Okay, the latitudes means the horizontal lines which runs from east to west, are called the latitudes. Now we can observe here there are important latitudes are Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Equator. It is a very important. It is a biggest latitude in the Earth. So and Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. These are the 5 important latitudes are which runs from the east to west. Okay, what is meaning of latitude? The latitude is nothing but the horizontal lines which runs from the east to west are called the latitudes. Okay, and longitudes means the longitudes are the vertical lines which runs from the north to south are called the longitudes. So important longitude is prime meridian. So longitudes and latitudes are help us to locate the places. Now let us go to the location of the North America. So location of the North America, latitudes is 19 degree of north to 71 degree of north. Okay, and longitude is 15 degree of west to 150 degree of west. Okay, so and now completely our earth has been divided into two parts with the help of the equator. So above the equator is called as northern hemisphere, below the equator is called southern hemisphere. So the North America is located in the northern hemisphere in the west part. Okay, the North America, where does it North America located? North America is located in the above the equator, I mean northern hemisphere, in the west part, the North America is located. Okay, like latitudes and longitudes. The location of the North America is latitude 19 degree of north to 71 degree of north. So as I told you that the completely our earth has been divided into two parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. The equator, as you can see here, so the equator 0 degree, the equator which divides the earth as a two part. The above the equator is called as northern hemisphere. So our North America is located in the northern hemisphere, and above the equator in the latitudes are 19 degree north to 71 degree north. So here you can see 19 degree north to 71 degree of north. So between these two, our North America is located latitudes, and longitudes are 50 degree west to 150 degree west. So 50 degree west, you can see here 50 degree. So 50 degree west to, okay, and 150 degree west of, it is completely located in this latitudes and longitudes. And also in the North America, the two important latitudes are passes through the North America. That is, first one is Tropic of Cancer, which is 23.5 degree of north, and Antarctic Circle. Here, look at here, the Tropic of Cancer, which passes through the Mexico. Mexico, it is one of the country of North America. So two important imaginary lines, two important latitudes passes through the North America. The first one is Tropic of Cancer, which is passes through the, here look at it, passes through the North America, that is Mexico country. And next one, the Arctic Circle 66.5 north, also passes through the North America, that is here in the Canada country. Above the Canada country, it is passes through. Okay, so this is two important latitudes are passes through the North America, that is first one Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle. Okay, next, the physical settings. So physical settings, the North America, it is surrounded by some important oceans. To the east of North America, there is a Atlantic Ocean. So Atlantic Ocean in the east, Pacific Ocean in the west, and Arctic Ocean in the north. So the three important oceans are surrounded by the North America. Next one, the Bering Strait. So North America also, it is separated from the Asian continent. The one strait which separates the Asia continent and North America continent, that is Bering Strait. What is meaning of strait? Strait is nothing but a narrow water body, a narrow body of water which connects the two larger water body is called strait. Okay, a narrow body of water which connects the two larger water bodies is called strait. So Bering Strait, it is one of the water body which divides or which separates the North America and Asia. Okay, so in the Russia and Canada, you can see the Russia and Canada, which separates the Asia continent and North America continent, that is Bering Strait. Isthmus of Panama. Isthmus is nothing but a stripe of land that lies between the Caribbean Sea and Pacific Ocean, and which connects the North America and South America. It is one of the Isthmus of Panama. It is one of the place, okay, which linking the North America and South America. So it is located in the between the Caribbean Sea and Pacific Ocean. Okay, the next one, the important water bodies. The important water bodies are Gulf of Mexico, Gulf of California, Gulf of Alaska, and Hudson Bay. There are the four important water bodies are present in the North America. The next one, the islands. There are many islands because of the presence of water bodies and the presence of surrounded by the three important oceans. There are a number of islands are found in the North America. Okay, so what are the islands are found in North America? That is West Indies and Cuba. So West Indies and Cuba, Cuba is present here and West Indies is here. So Cuba and West Indies are two important islands which is found in the Caribbean Sea. Okay, in the Caribbean Sea. And Greenland also, it is one of the important island which is found in the Arctic Ocean. Okay, the three important islands are West Indies, Cuba, and Greenland. And also you can see here Canada. To the east of the Canada, there is a one place called Newfoundland. Newfoundland is one of the important place of North America. It is located in the east of the Canada. And when it comes to the south of the North America, there is a narrow stripe of land that lies south of the North America, that is called as the Central America. Central America, it is nothing but, you already know that, USA, United States of America. It is called as the Central America. Where does it located? The Central America is located in the a narrow stripe of land that lies south of the North America. It is called as Central America. Central America, it is known as the United States of America. So this is all about the physical settings of the North America. Now the last point, extent. The extent is the area of how much area is covered the North America. The 24.24 million square kilometer it is covered the North America, and it is the 7 times bigger than the India, and also North America it is called third largest continent in the world, and there are 24 countries are found in the North America. The three are very important: Mexico, Canada, and United States of America. And even the North America also, it is covered by the many kinds of islands. So this is all about the North America, introduction of the North America and location of the North America and physical settings of the North America and extent of the North America. In the next class, we can learn about the physical divisions of the North America. Thank you, dear students.